Yes, digital product family, I hope you guys are well. Listen, this is a crack-a-lacking video on selling prompts. Oh my god, I want to show you some amazing ideas to sell those mid-journey prompts. And as you guys know, not everybody here, but some of you know that creating these mid-journey prompts is pretty easy, and like we do it quite a lot. Just an example, if you look at my screen, I'd work on Midjourney all the time, creating loads of prompts for many things. Like here's some mock-up for white mugs for Christmas with a Christmassy background. Beautiful. So what prompts are essentially is just literally a series of words, so that the series of words can create a visual image, right, from the words. So in this case, mock-up plain white mug, Christmas background, boom, and I've got that, right? Another one I've got is a smiling pug dog wearing a ship admiral suit in an oil painting portrait style. Check these out. These are mad, right? I did a video on vintage pet portraits. It's funny. So basically what it is look, not only can you create visuals with Midjourney, but you can actually sell the Midjourney prompts, the wording themselves, on Etsy. Isn't it mad? Check out my playlist on how to do this and how to get this done. Playlist will come after this video, so please do check it out. But guys, before I get going with this crazy video, because you're gonna love it, I've got some nuggets here. Please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell if you love videos on digital products, guys, and how to sell them. Then please do that, and don't forget to share, guys, because we love to share on this channel. Anyways, check this out. So it's literally a case of, if you're able to produce visuals, what you do is you literally, let's say I want to do mock-ups. I want to sell somebody a pack of 200 mug mock-up prompts, right? So what I'll do is I'm going to write up a series of these, put it on a PDF, and maybe put a little image of what the prompt could look like. Because remember, the prompt is not always going to be the same, right? It's about what it could look like, right? So for example, if I've got this series of words, let's say, obviously I want to make it a little bit more intricate, the wording. But if I regenerate this, which is using the same series of words, it's going to regenerate another series, if you like, of images, right? Here we go. It's creating it now. And the thing about it, it will never spit out exactly the same design. So look at these. These four actually are different to the last four that were produced. Okay, it's still got that Christmassy feel, Christmas background. So what I'm trying to say is, when you sell these prompts, you can put an example of a visual, but obviously just write down that you're not guaranteed to get exactly the same image, right? That's very important. But anyways, let's just say you've gotten you're looking for some ideas for prompts, because I'm telling you, there's some cracking ideas. Check this one out. In demand, boom, £2, $2.90. 2 people bought this in the last 24 hours. 200 plus Midjourney Christmas clip art prompts. You're not getting the clip art, you're getting just the prompts for the creation of the clip arts. This is what I'm trying to say to you guys. It's crazy now, right? So basically, these are images that would be produced for the clip arts, for the clip art prompts. So what you would do is you'd download this, you'd put in the prompts onto Midjourney, right? You just put it in, go to Imagine, put these in, and then you'd put the prompts that you're given, that you've bought on Etsy for that, for example, and hopefully it should spit out a similar images to what was shown. That's as simple as that. So what this is this is literally lots of, so it has 200, right? It's got 200 Midjourney prompts, okay? And yeah, so let's just have a look at this, for example. Let's have a look at this. So let's analyze it. How much does this actually get per month? Now, let's see how old the listing is. Now, this is a 1 month old listing, so it's a fresh listing, completely new listing, which is a good sign. That shows that for something quite new, it's selling quite well. As you know, with Etsy, when you're selling, you're not necessarily going to sell things very quickly, right? It does happen. It can take time. It's a building process. It's a long game. But this is a fantastic sign to show that this can sell really well, really quickly, right? It's a good sign. 70 sales it's made. Wow. 7 reviews. Good conversion. Now, let's just touch on a couple of things. You know, a couple of reasons why it sells well, because the actual Keyword MIDJOURNEY prompt, which is, they've got tags. The listing tags has these. MIDJOURNEY prompts has a good keyword score of 80. Now, like I said, you need some kind of SEO software. When you're doing something like this, it's about reverse engineering, finding out what is out there, what is unsaturated, what you can sell. So MIDJOURNEY prompts is something that I think that people should get into if you can. Whatever you're selling, it could be tumblers, it could be clip art. You could actually just add a section where it could be MIDJOURNEY prompts for clip art or MIDJOURNEY prompts for tumblers, just like this seller's doing, Christmas clip art prompts, right? MIDJOURNEY prompts is a good one. A volume of 716 people actually search for it with a competition of 8,686. Pretty good, you know, it's pretty good. There's also other ones with ranking for illustration prompts, MIDJOURNEY. So you have to kind of reverse engineer, look at where the demand is and create a design around the demand or create a product around the demand. So this is not too bad. I mean, they're making decent money for a 1 month listing, making over $400 is pretty good, right? You do got to take into account that it is on a sale right now, so it's not going to make it as much as that. But literally what you would do is you'd kind of show examples of what, you know, the prompts would look like when you put in MIDJOURNEY. And then it's a little bit more information on the other listings. Let's just have a look at the video very quickly. Yeah, very nice, simple video. But yeah, it's giving you examples of the kind of things that you would probably get, right? In terms of images, which is good to see. Right, let's jump on another one. And the other thing I was going to say about this is it's interesting because what they're doing is they're touching on Q4. So they're doing something which is coming up as well. So they're trying to catch this Christmas wave, but in a sort of prompt style, clip art prompt style, which is very interesting. So I do like that idea because obviously with Christmas coming up, it will obviously get seen and hopefully the algorithm will favor it, and that's what we want. And then, you know, we've got other ideas. Let's have a look at this one. You've got like different ideas. This is a coloring page prompt. You know, these are just 10 base prompts, but they're very different. Look at it. It's a different sort of idea. These are coloring pages, but it's not your traditional coloring pages. It's got a different angle to it. I like this. This is like a MIDJOURNEY writer bot that it's kind of showing you a little animation. It says MIDJOURNEY coloring page prompts and a prompt generator to create your own prompt guide to sell as your own. Wow. So it gives you prompts and it also gives you a generator to help you. This is quite unique. I like that idea. It's got 20 plus baskets, very popular. How much is this selling for? This is actually going for, boom, $371. Only a 1 month old listing. Another one, you know, young listing making cash. Pretty damn good, guys. Pretty good. You know, it's pretty cool. Really cool, really cool. 20 plus in a basket. It is on a sale, so you got to take that into account. Gives you examples of what the prompts could look like. So again, this is a different type, different angle. Coloring page prompts. Okay, coloring page prompt. That's pretty cool. Travel poster. This looks like it's quite popular. They've got really nice designs. Bestseller. 20 plus baskets. It is on a sale. But you know, this kind of thing, it's about demand. What do people want? You know, I can imagine people producing these, having a bit of wall art, you know. So, you know, these look like they would be popular as well. How much is it? It's only a 3 month old listing, guys. $436. Pretty good. Let me just scan the prompts. You know, again, MIDJOURNEY prompt. Yeah, again, really popular travel posters, man. You know, again, a lot of information showing you what the prompts, what the images would look like that you may get. Again, you know, how many? 100. So there's 100 there. I mean, you know, just imagine you could do this yourself. Really, you sell it on a PDF. I like this one. This is pretty good. So when you're doing something like this, you want to touch on things that are coming up. Remember, we showed you the Christmas clip art prompts. That's a good idea because Q4 is coming up. And then you got this Halloween idea because, look, imagine the ingredients. I keep saying, get those ingredients right. MIDJOURNEY, tick. MIDJOURNEY prompts, tick. It's an unsaturated kind of market where people are searching for it. That's one tick. Halloween's coming up, tick. People love their t-shirt designs, tick, right? So what you're doing is you're trying to tick as many boxes so that you're able to get eyes on your listing, guys, because the more volume you get, the better. And this is what I'm trying to say. This is how you do those ingredients. You see about something that may be coming up, that people be searching for, that people be looking for, the wave, the swell of customers coming in, and then you do something that is also unsaturated as a niche, combine it with something else like t-shirts, boom, and you got a recipe there for absolute amazing. So just check this out. It's 20 plus in a basket. You can see it's popular. It's a bestseller, guys. How much is it making per month? This is making only a 2-month-old listing, $665. Fantastic. It is on a sale, so you got to take this into account. You know, sales also help because it also increases those eyes on the product and get those listings. And the more the build up of the reviews, the better, really, because it's a building game as well. 20 reviews so far on this product, on a 2-month-old listing. Pretty good, guys. This is what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm trying to say. So it's about getting a specific niche within the prompts niche, if you like, and that's what it is. And what I would do is, if you're going to create something like this, definitely have a video, because videos do convert, to show you the possible what the prompts would produce, an idea of what the prompts would produce. So you got this kind of dark Halloween image styles that would definitely appeal to a market, and it gives you some information, shows you what they look like. Again, you want to answer as many questions as you like, because people have questions. And you know, you got some answers for some of the questions here. It's giving you also a bonus included of 40 pre-made PNG images. That's pretty cool as well. Yeah, so I do like that idea, guys. I like that kind of idea. So let's go to something else. Another cool idea I like is you could actually sell prompts for tumblers, right? Or tumbler wraps. That is possible too. This one includes 100 prompts with resale rights. Use our ChatGPT prompt to turn this prompt guide into an unlimited prompts. So look, you could create, actually, not only can you sell like clip art prompts, but you can sell Tumbler prompts. Remember, if you're selling Tumbler designs, why not sell Tumbler MIDJOURNEY prompts? Because you probably produce it through MIDJOURNEY anyway. So just copy and paste those prompts, put it on a PDF and sell it. Why not? I mean, it all relates as well. Do something that's related to what you sell, but in a different digital sort of product. So MIDJOURNEY prompts, if you're selling already tumblers, do MIDJOURNEY prompts for tumblers, right? Makes sense. In this case, they've got MIDJOURNEY prompt guide, including universal prompt writer bot, 3D Halloween style. Again, 3D Halloween style they've got here. Again, Halloween's coming up, touching on things that are there, shows you example of the things that may be produced for those designs. Really nice. How much is this making? Let's have a look. It says it's a bestseller. Pretty cool. At the moment, this one is making $270, 2-month-old listing, 24 sales this month. Good. It is on a sale, so you got to make sure that you take that into account. And then it's got loads of information, which I like. Gives you information about the product, shows you the design of the product, gives you a nice little mock-up with the tumblers there. Boom, what it would look like, right? Simple. Okay, very simple. So yeah, I mean, these are kind of things to look at, and really all you need to do is go to use something like EVERBEE, which I use, which helps you identify, you know. But you know, like, you know, some of these more established stores, you know, when you look at some of the more established stores, I look at a combination. I like to look at younger stores, so I get an idea about, if you were to go into the market now, you know, how much could you possibly make. But you know, you got more established stores, and I say established stores, but maybe not that established. But yeah, let's say this one, which is been around for 5 months, right? This store's been around for 5 months. I mean, this listing, it sells 700 t-shirt design MIDJOURNEY prompts, right? It's in demand. 4 people bought in the last 24 hours. You know, if I look at it, it's a bestseller. It makes approximately, and these are just MIDJOURNEY prompts, it makes approximately $4,096, right? $4,096. Right now, it is on a sale, so it's not going to make as much as that. But if it wasn't on a sale, that's a lot of money. It makes 473 sales per month. It has 275 reviews per month. Okay, wow. 275 reviews. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. The more it's out there as well, the long, look, 275, yeah. it's a fantastic niche to get into. If you're selling something, let's say you're selling logo designs, or sorry, t-shirt designs anyway, then why not sell the MIDJOURNEY prompts for t-shirt designs too? It makes sense, right? So see where it relates to your store, and I think maybe have some listings on this. I think it's a great idea, and I think it's a profitable idea, and I think also MIDJOURNEY prompts right now, as we speak, is not a saturated market and something that you should really consider. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. I shall leave it there, guys. I'm going to stop there. But like I keep saying, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, and all of that great stuff, then like I said, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment below. If you got any questions, check out all the links in my description for my SEO and everything that I use in terms of software. Check out my MIDJOURNEY prompts playlist as well, guys. Please take care. See you on the next one.